In today's video, I'm going to make a zipper pull. And for this project, you need any color hemp that you want. Today I'm going to use yellow hemp, and my filler cord is 12 inches long, and my working cord is 25 inches long. And you need 2 T-pins, 1 T-pin to hold your wooden beads. For this project, you'll need 2 wooden beads of any color depending on what colors you want. I'm using black and yellow. And I just use 1 T-pin to hold my beads so I don't lose them. I have a football helmet charm, a lanyard hook that I hook onto my T-pin. And I have Forceps to help me with my knot at the end of it, and scissors to cut it, the trim ends. So you start by putting your filler cord on, slide it through your lanyard hook, make sure they're equal at the end down here. Make sure they're equal, and then just attach them to your macrame board. This macrame board is a beadsmith. It's a mini macrame board. It's ideal for this project. 6 inches by 9 inches. And if you'd like to purchase that, you could go to the description and I'll list a link to it. And if you purchase that, I make a few cents, not much. And then your working cord you attach to your lanyard hook, and you make sure the ends are equal. And for your first knot, you want to go real slow so that your cord doesn't slip, and you just do square knots. So you go over, then this one goes under, and over. Pull it slowly tight. Then you have your first knot. And after you tie your first knot, you want to check your working cord, make sure they're still equal length, and then you could just continue with 4 square knots. Over, through the middle, and up. It's real easy with a macrame board. It's harder if you don't have one. Okay, and then you thread your first bead on your filler cords. Slide it up to the top. Reattach your filler cords to your macrame board, and then just finish with a square knot. And now I'm going to tie 4 square knots and then put the other bead on. These make nice zipper pulls for either a coat or a backpack or luggage. There's all kinds of uses. Book covers. Okay, then I'll slide my bead on, my last bead. You could use any color beads you want. I'm using black and yellow. There's lots of football teams that are black and yellow. And I'm having trouble getting the cord through the hole because it's not quite clean. So the Forceps are awesome for that. You just stick them in the hole, kind of ream out the hole a little. Both sides. In there. See, it's clean now. So I should have no problem. And it slides right on. Just had a piece of wood in the way is all. And now I'll do a few more square knots. These are fun to make. Doesn't take a long time. You can make them as long as you want, short as you want. Sometimes I only use one bead. This one's going to be pretty long. And what I'll do here is I'll attach my charm. And I just keep going with a couple more square knots. Okay, and now I take it off the T-pin And you're ready for your overhand knot to end it. Just squeeze them together, wrap the cords around your finger, and here's where I use the forceps, because I have big thick fingers. So I slide my forceps through, grab all of the cords, and then I pull them through. Makes a really nice tight knot this way, because then you could see where your knot's going to be. I want that knot right towards the bottom. So then you pull the cords tight. Then you pull each cord tight to really tighten it up. And there's my zipper pull. They look really nice hanging off of luggage or a purse or your coat. And I'm going to trim this a little bit. Just going to cut off some of the end. And there's my finished product. Thank you for watching today, and please subscribe for more projects that I do. I do a lot of hemp products, and you know, if you do hemp products also, subscribe and maybe we could exchange ideas. Have a nice day.